Flamingo Beach Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to tour one of my exclusive listings. It's called Amanpuri 3. It's a gorgeous, amazing, luxurious condo, steps from the beach in the Playa Langosta area. Come check out this beautiful condo tour with me today. I love the big open area in this condo. I love the local hardwoods. I love the Mediterranean feel of it. It feels like it's so inviting. This beautiful condo is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,127 square feet. You would not believe the attention to detail in this condo. You've got granite countertops, travertine floors, teak ceilings, beautiful arches, and best of all, an incredible view of the ocean. Here we are in the master bedroom. There's a queen bed, an ensuite bathroom with beautiful details, an amazing Juliette balcony that overlooks these gorgeous palm trees, allows you to experience the great Costa Rican fresh air, and best of all, I love these walls. They're Venetian stucco all throughout this condo. The guest bedroom has 2 queen beds. This would be a great spot to entertain friends and family. I imagine myself opening the windows at night, listening to the waves crash, just being relaxed to the beautiful sounds of Costa Rica. Pella doors, you arrive at this beautiful terrace. It's got gorgeous arches. You hear and see the waves, and you listen to the beautiful tropical birds. Just across the street from the condo, a few steps away, we are walking to the beautiful Playa Langosta. Playa Langosta is one beach past Playa Tamarindo. It's low tide right now, so you can see we've got beautiful tide pools with really cool creatures in it. This is a great spot for surfing, soaking up the sun, and best of all, you can stay and watch the sunset. Amanpuri means a place of peace, and definitely this condo has peace. You're one of 5 condos to share this beautiful common area pool. If you'd like this paradise to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day. Pura vida.